hard one.
I say we take a break. This learning stuff is making me hungry. Did you see that? Weird.
Oh!
Robot bounty hunter.
Holy mackerel!
Hey!
Say the magic words! Bubbly bubbly boo!
No thanks. Blank already went for help. Around a freckle past the hair.
Just for old time's sake, let's play Uncle.
Remind me to ask you how you did that, Ed.
Your garden is overgrown and your cucumbers are gone. So, it is you! You have broken the trust of a son of a shepherd!
Yep, it's me, all right.
Man the house! Time!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
From the